Salsa means sauce, like a tasty, tasty sauce. And I'm making 4 today, but the first one is a sweet plum salsa with succulent crab cakes. And this is lump crab meat. Look at that stuff. Crab cakes need a little moisture, and I really like using a little bit of mayo for creaminess and Dijon for a little bit of tang. One other little liquid here, Worcestershire. It's perfect for crab. And so now for the dry spices. Cajun seasoning in, just a little kiss. So you need to bind the crab cake a little bit, and I really like panko. It's not like regular breadcrumbs. They're lighter and way crunchier. And to help bind it, 1 egg, and all that it's missing is some crunchy veg. If you have a little red onion, that's nice in there. White onion, that's nice. A little dice of tomato. But I find that red pepper and onion, just the perfect match. Now you want to give it a real nice mix. About 20 minutes in the fridge, and that gives me enough time to make a plum salsa. Smells pretty good. Plums are great. They're sweet, they're tart, they go good with crab cakes. I'm gonna show you how to cut into one. So I like to roll it on my knife like an avocado. Just like that, give it a little twist and it'll open. And then I just take my knife and slice really close by the pit. It comes out, and then these little pieces I snack on. So you can't have a salsa without some onion, and I really like the sharpness of red onion, and it goes so good with the crab cake. And poblano peppers are really great. Look at them inside. They're not like a green pepper. Green pepper's a little bitter. They go great raw and crunchy in the salsa, but if you hit that thing on the barbecue and char its skin, the flesh becomes smoky. They're really wonderful peppers. This is Thai basil. It's got like this light licorice note to it. It's kind of peppery. The plums are really nice and tart and sweet, but just a little bit of extra brown sugar. Just to finish the salsa off, a little bit of lime. The plums are tart, sweet, and the Thai basil and the lime finish it off. This just needs to chill out with my crab cakes. Would you like the salsa? All right, to form these crab cakes, first you make a ball, then you make a puck. I like to give them a nice brushing of butter. Helps with the non-stick, and it's tasty. All right, I'm gonna meet you right over there. How did you get here so fast? It doesn't even make sense. Anyway, always oil your grill. It helps with the non-stick. The crab's already cooked. All I need to do is warm it through. That's a perfect sound. They don't take long. They're probably ready for a quarter turn. And by doing the quarter turn, you're gonna get really nice cross hatches, like little diamonds. And before I flip them, I always like to butter the back. So it's definitely time for a flip. Woohoo! That looks so good! Crab cakes might be one of my favorite things to eat. That crab cake is simply crab, beautiful spices, but you put plum salsa on top of that with Thai basil, and it's a whole nother planet. Man, salsas are pretty good on just about anything, but I'm just getting started.